Hello, gorgeous rock stars. How the devil are you? It's Emma Holmes coming in live from Rockstar HQ, and I am coming in to tell you about a brand new free resource that we have brought together just for you, so that you have a little bit of a checklist, a little bit of a North Star, a little bit of a way from going from okay to epic. Now, about 18 months ago, just over a year and a half ago, I would always go, oh yeah, but I'm okay. Everything's okay. And okay, what is it? It's just a bit meh, isn't it? Well, actually, you can turn things around hugely and go from okay to epic. And as I took on my journey to change around how I lived, I sat and I wrote a little list in my notebook, and I shared that little list out of my notebook, and we've created a bit of a PDF for it because lots of people have gone, oh my God, I love that. I want to get my hands on that. You know, let me have a little bit of that in my world. So I've come on to show you what exactly you can get your hands on. So it's from okay to epic, a guide to epicness. And there's lots of little things that you can do to make sure that you are living full out. Now, it's a tiny little guide. It's a 3-page guide. There is lots of little hints, tips and things that you can think about in there in terms of what you can be doing. And it's really your North Star. It's really that thing that you can just think about in terms of making sure that you're not just settling. You're not just getting by. It's not just, you're not just in. Instead, you are actually living on purpose, and that you're living with a bright star. So your okay to epicness guide is ready right now. You'll find the link around this video. But not only that, you could then do Boss Your Breakthroughs, which is a mini program that is absolutely free, that can help and support you then to make those breakthroughs. You can get hold of the Change Matrix, which again is free, and you can then look at the ways that you can create change in your world without it being a hassle, without it being hard work, without it being a slog, the things that you need to know and the mindset shifts that you need to make in order to, 1, establish change, and 2, sustain it. And then you can also get the energy tip-top energy checklist, which again will help you to elevate your energy and will help and support you to get to where you want to be. So the link here is for okay to epicness. If you want to shout up in the comments if there's any of the other ones that you fancy, Boss Your Breakthroughs mini program, absolutely totally free. We've got the Change Matrix, and we've got the Tip Top Energy Checklist as additionals that you could add on to your okay to epicness to start to bring together a rockstar pack of creating epicness and change and evolution and growth in your world. So go get it now and shout up if there's any other ones that you fancy getting your little fingers on. Speak soon. Bye.